So we're gonna start with the interior glow kit. What do you get inside of the interior glow kit? Well, first off, you get 6 meters or fiber optic cable. Now 6 meters is approximately 19 feet of fiber optic cable that we're gonna run along all the little edges and seams of the car. Now in addition to the 20 feet, well 19 to 20 feet of fiber optic cable, you also get the controller itself, and this is what the controller looks like. It's an LED Bluetooth controller, and then you have the LEDs right here. Now remember, these are not normal LEDs, they're RGB LEDs, so that means that they can create potentially 16 million color combinations. So once this is connected to the fiber optic cable, we're gonna be able to have all kinds of things such as fading, strobe light effect, or just have it set at one particular color that we like. But how about the LED Footwell lighting kit? Well, inside of that one, you get another controller, which is again, is Bluetooth, and that drives 4 little strips of RGB lights that we're gonna be able to place anywhere where we want inside the car to light up the Footwell. Should make it easy for passengers to get inside the car, but also to provide a cool experience while they're sitting inside of there. And same thing, you got up to 16 million possible color combinations with this. Now, once the app is installed, both of them are gonna be paired, and we should be able to control both of them with the app. Now, how do we connect that to our car? They send you a little cigarette lighter plug. So it's very simply, we plug it into cigarette lighter, this goes into the Bluetooth controller, and we got power. But if you don't want to tie up your cigarette lighter plug, they do provide a little cable so you can hardwire it to your car. But I will tell you, the key to this is finding spots in the car where you are able to shove this little plastic into the trim, and by inserting it into the trim, it will retain the fiber optic cable. So finding seams, it's not that hard, but you do want to spend some time scouting the car, looking for locations where you can shove this little cable, and when you want to have that lighting look and have those little cool lines. So let's move over to the car. So this is the channel that is gonna hold the fiber optic cable. This is the fiber optic cable. The channel is gonna be inserted into the trim of the car, and then the fiber optic cable is gonna be fed into the channel. The channel protects the fiber optic cable and also holds it to the trim of the car. So what I did first, I started scouting for areas, potential areas that will make good candidates. This is a great area. There's a nice little seam on here, and I'm gonna test it out. And yeah, sure enough, the channel can be inserted in there, and it blends in almost completely like if it was stock. Now, another place where I found that I can shove this channel into, I can insert it into this little path, I can insert it into this little section, and there's other sections down here where I can insert this little channel. So anywhere that this channel can be inserted, that's a place that we can light up. Now here's a good close-up of the place where I'm gonna be inserted the channel into, and as you can see, the channel can be pushed in right here into the seam by hand. But they did include this installation tool, and I use this normally when I install dash cams to help push things into panels without having to remove anything. Another place that I'm gonna be putting this into, I'm gonna try to put it right here. It's like a tight fit, but yep, it will go in here, nice. And also notice that the channel will make turns, so you can make a turn. As long as the turn is not too abrupt, the channel will make it. If it's a 90-degree turn, that will damage the fiber optic cable, so I will not attempt anything that looks like a 90-degree, which is an L. The kit is fully installed, and now we are ready to turn on the LED outlet interior glow kit and Footwell, and I can't wait to see this. Let's turn this on. All right, here we go. Oh, oof, wow, this looks way better than I expected. Very futuristic. Wow, that's actually really neat. Look at this, it just looks like factory. And even though the light is really coming from that end, the entire line or the entire fiber optic cable seems to have enough brightness to be pretty consistent, I think. Look at that, that's pretty neat. Now the Footwells are in the bottom. They did include 2 sets of those, so it's a total of 4 lights. So I technically could have put 2 in the front and 2 in the back, but I don't have nobody that rides in the back, so I put both of them in the front.
That looks so cool. Okay, so now let's see what the menu options are as far as controlling these things, and let's see what they can actually do. Now I can tell you though, before I show you that these things are very bright. You could definitely drive with them on, but they're lighting my face up, so you might want to turn the brightness down, and there is an option to turn the brightness down a little. I'm tempted to drive with these things full on just because they look so cool. Okay, let's look at the menu options. So on the app, one of the main functions is being able to change the color by dragging your finger on this color wheel, literally an infinite amount of colors. And there's some cool presets too that you can play around with. Some are static and some will actually change, such as fading or jumping. It can also react to sound or music, which I think is one of the coolest options, or you can set a schedule so they turn on at a specific time. You can also turn off and turn on both lights using one single button, and you can adjust the brightness of the lights if they are too bright for you, but I run mine at full brightness. But now, it is time to party! So overall, I think this kit is a great way to spice up your interior, whether you're just looking for additional light for passengers to get in and out of your car safely, or whether you're looking to really change the interior look of your car at night and have your mini own dance party or mini rave party. This kit definitely looks really cool at night. And I think also it's probably the most bang for your buck in terms of how much it can change the look of your car for the cost. Both of this kit, this bundle, is less than $100. You get both the Footwell lights and you get the LED glow kit. Now you could buy them separately. Maybe you already have Footwells and don't want Footwell lighting. You could buy them separately, but I think both of them as a bundle makes a lot of sense. And if you guys have any questions regarding this kit or the installation process, also please put that in the comments down below. If you guys are interested on seeing a very detailed installation of how I installed this kit on the Toyota Corolla hatchbacks, which panels I pulled, where did I route things through, let me know also and I'll put it in the comments down below and I'll make that video for you guys. And stay tuned, I have a lot more cool gadgets and accessories for your car coming up, so make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you find any part of this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button to support the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.